After 2 days of full lockdown, Western Australia recorded no new cases from the test results received. That's 3 days in a row of 0 new cases. Can I say from the outset, this is a very encouraging result, especially considering we have been testing at record levels, but we are not out of the woods yet. We've had another incredible day of testing. In total yesterday, WA recorded a total of 12,326 tests. That is a very good number of tests, but we want to keep the number of tests at a high level. That means even if you recently received a negative result, if you begin to feel unwell or experience any symptoms, go get tested again. Take nothing for granted. The more we test, the more confident we can be to get back to normal. To those who've been to one of the exposure sites, you need to be extra vigilant. Get tested. If you feel unwell at all, get tested. West Australians have been outstanding when it comes to testing. Let's keep it going. If we continue on our 0 cases streak, that would be a great achievement, a credit to all West Australians. I want the WA community to understand that if we do continue on a 0 streak through till Friday, the full lockdown will end. However, like we have seen in other states, some form of restrictions will be necessary for the following week or so. Based on health advice, we know this virus can linger. So even though we could potentially have no community transmission come Friday, it does not mean we are 100% in the clear. I want to get back to normal as quickly as possible, but we need to see at least 14 days of no community transmission before we can return to our unique life here in Perth and WA, southwestern Peel, that we were all enjoying throughout January. Our extensive testing and contact tracing is continuing. Our Chief Health Officer has advised that in total, 189 close contacts have now been identified. 138 of these have returned negative results. In addition, 234 casual contacts have also been identified. 116 of these have returned negative results. Test results on others will be confirmed soon. I can also add that the 3 housemates of the confirmed case have been tested again. The results of these tests are pending. We will keep you updated on these tests. These people remain in hotel quarantine. I can also report that yesterday, 54 guests at the quarantine hotel were due to be released. We held them back for an additional COVID-19 test to be carried out. The results all came back negative, and they will now be released today. I also want to make this point. There is a lot of misinformation being thrown around about how we have low stocks of PPE. This is completely untrue. Throughout this pandemic, we have prepared and have all necessary PPE in stock. Misinformation and fear-mongering being peddled by some individuals needs to stop. It is not helping the situation, and it's creating anxiety for many people. Just to be clear, we have more than enough PPE. I'm advised it has been distributed to our health services, so they have more than enough in stock. I also want to report that the 13 COVID hotline has been very busy in light of this week's lockdown, which is understandable. Since Sunday, there has been 27,291 calls. Can I request that people are patient if they're having trouble getting through?